Hello, I'm Kate. I'm the salon director at North Lane Hair Company in Brighton. How are you? We are the beginning of week 4 of lockdown. How are you coping? Are you okay? I hope everyone is well. I wanted to get in touch because I'm doing some videos of things that I think might be helpful for you in this time. So I've done a video on how to touch up your grey roots, so not advising to home colour, just using a touch-up spray. I've done a video on how to trim your fringe. Coming up, I'm going to do a video on how to trim your kids' fringes, a few top tips for doing that. I'm also going to talk to you about tonal shampoos. So my hair is starting to go a little bit yellow, not being able to get in to get my toner done. So I'm going to show you about Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. I'm going to do that as a demonstration later on in the week. What I want from you is for you to get in touch with me to let me know what are you struggling with, what do you need help with. I thought I might do a tutorial on how to braid long hair, just something fun to do, to play around with. But please let me know, what do you want to see. So yeah, send me your comments of advice that you would like from me and my fantastic team at North Lane Hair Co. I look forward to hearing from you.